So while other people were complaining that the crypto dip affected them, it didn't really affect me as much as like before, right? Because I discovered what the venture capitalists are doing and how they use their money, big money, to manipulate the market, right? They pay the media, they manipulate the articles, they buy cheap, and sell to you guys high, right? Let me show you guys. This is the last coin I bought. This is the last coin I bought with my money until I discover how these guys do these things. This is the last coin I bought with my money. I'll show you guys. Pay attention. Now look at this. The name of this coin is Specify USDT. Alright. So the first level I bought here. Today this coin is close to nothing. The first area I bought here because they released the coin. Right. The next day I bought it. Then I bought this area as well, hoping that the price will go up. To tell you that this coin now today is close to nothing, right? Because the price keep dipping. Price keep coming down. So now, when they release coin, they know that there are people like you and me that want to buy it. When they list it in an exchange, right? There is people like you and me that want to buy it. There is people like there is other people as well that want to. There's other people as well that want to get involved, right? That's how I discovered that these guys know exactly what they're doing. Now let me show you another coin. Give me a minute. Okay, let's use PPE. I've not checked PPE for some time, but let's check it. Okay, I think I analyzed PPE before. Now look at PPE. See PPE. See where they drop the coin. Alright? See where they drop the coin. See that the price have been coming down from here. The price have been coming down. It's like I analyzed this one before. Waiting for it to reach here. So you see that the price have been coming down. Alright? Now, for you as a smart investor, will you still be looking forward to buy more of these coins that are coming down? Like as the coin is coming down, we're still looking for buy opportunity. For me, since I discovered what they are doing, this one they delisted it from the exchange as it was coming down. I think the exchange they delisted it on link. They delisted it from exchange. I got about 1,000% from that sale, that particular sale. Alright. It's not only it, I've gotten from Spec USDT from selling. The Spec USDT is still active, it's still running. Let me show you. Spec USDT is still running, right? It's still selling. Spec USDT is still selling, right? Trump. Okay, say it's still selling, it's still coming down. Alright, same method that I used to find all of them. Now, how do I find this? As the price is moving, see, pay attention. Pay very close attention. You see that as price is moving, it's breaking a low. Alright, for example, here now, this low. As the price break this low, right? Price retrace there and touch it again. Alright, as the price break this low, this particular low now, this particular area. Alright, he said that price came back to retrace it, which made me to enter here. That's a simple method to join these people on this trend. Now, it's not the rocket science, right? Just something that you can go to the charts and find. You can find it in most of the cryptos that are trending down on daily and from 4 hours to daily, right? That's how I can find this method. That's how I can find these patterns. For you, I'll not advise you to go directly and start trading this method, right? The best approach is for you to backtest it, replay the chart and understand what I'm saying from 4 hours daily, because it's a swing setup. And then you have to be patient. It's not something that can give you money overnight or make you rich overnight. Alright, you have to wait for price to get to your level. You have to wait for price to start coming down, right? You have to wait for price to get to your take profit zone, right? That's the most important thing. Patience and discipline is what is affecting a lot of people. You have seen a strategy now that you're using to trade. Then the next thing is start selling it. I not advise you to do that, right? Instead, find areas where price consolidated, then break. The price likely to go back to that area and retrace it before coming down. Alright, it's a repeated pattern in crypto. It happens in most all the cryptos, especially these shit coins, right? So go ahead and test run this and share your thoughts on the comment. Please share the video to your friends and let me know what coin you want me to review on the comment. Peace and love.